So now the concentrations. Concentration may be expressed in many ways of the solution. So one by one, let us discuss. The first one is the mass percentage. So the first one is mass percentage. So the mass percentage is the mass of the component present in 100 parts of the solution. So the mass of component present in 100 parts of the solution. Right? So the formula will be mass percentage is equal to mass of the component in solution upon total mass of the solution multiply 100 to make it the 100 part, right? Because we are finding the parts of the component in 100 part of the solution, so that's why we have to multiply with 100. So here now the example of this mass percentage is, for example, 10%, it is just like a question, 10% glucose in water, 10% weight by weight, because mass percentage is identified as or indicated as W by W. Weight by weight, W is the weight. Weight by weight, mass percentage. So 10% weight by weight glucose in water. Suppose this is written. So what does it mean? It means so if W by W is given, weight by weight is given, then that means it 10% is the mass percentage, right? So here that means 10 gram glucose is mixed with 90 gram of water to give 100 gram solution. This is the meaning of the 10% weight by weight glucose in water, right? 10 gram glucose mixed in 90 gram of water to give the 100 gram solution, right? So this is the meaning of this time. So now the next is second, volume percentage. Volume percentage is indicated by V upon V, means both side is volume. So that is, it is the volume of solute in 100 parts of solution. Right? That means the formula of this will be volume percentage is equal to the volume of solute in ml. If it is in ml, then the solution will be in ml. If it is in liter, then the solution volume also will be in liter. So it doesn't matter whether it is in ml or in liter, but both that solute and solution, both you have to take in the same digits, whether it is ml, milliliter or it is liter. So here the volume of solution multiply 100. It is also in ml. If it is in liter, then it is also will be in liter. Same phrase, right? So here, this is the volume percentage. Let us check this with the help of example. For example, there is written 10% volume by volume ethanol in water. So what does it mean? It means that 10 ml C2H5OH is dissolved in 90 ml of water to give 100 ml of solution. Right? So this is how the 10% volume by volume ethanol in water means. So two types of concentrations we have discussed, mass percentage and volume percentage. Now come to the third one, that is the weight by volume percentage. Now the third is mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percentage. So it is indicated by W upon V, mass by volume. So it is the amount of solute present in 100 ml of solution. So it is the amount of solute present in 100 ml of solution, right? So it is, the formula will be, so mass by volume percentage is equal to the mass of the solute if it is in gram, then volume of solution the solution will be in ml, because it is in gram, so solution will be in ml. Multiply 100, because in 100 ml of solution. So here let us have an example. For example, a question is there, that is, suppose 10 gram BaCl2 is dissolved in 90 gram of water. The solution is giving the density of solution is 1.09 gram per ml. Now calculate weight by volume percentage concentration. Of the solution. Suppose this is the question. Now how it will solve? The first thing is that you have to calculate weight by volume percentage. So weight by volume percentage is you know it is equal to, it is written, that is mass of solute upon volume of solution multiply 100. So mass of solute here is 10 gram BaCl2. You know this, 10 gram, right? Now volume of 100, you know 100 is 100, and this is volume of solution. The volume of solution is not given. right? Now two things are given, 90 gram of water and the density of the solution. So mass of solute, mass of solvent is given and the density of the solution is given. So volume of solution can be calculated. Volume of solution is equal to mass of solution upon density of solution. So mass of solution is 10 gram BaCl2 solute plus 90 gram of water solvent. So solute plus solvent, 10 plus 90. It is the total mass of solution. Now the density of the solution is given, that is 1.09. So it will be 100 upon 1.09, 91.74 around, right? So it is the volume of the solution. It is in ml because it is in CGS system, grams and mLs. Density is in ml, right? So here volume of solution we have calculated. So put it in the formula. Volume of solution, it is 91.74, right? Now if you are going to calculate this will come 10.90% weight by volume. So this will be the answer of the given question. Hope this concept has been clear to you. Now move to this has been the third type concentration. Now move to the fourth type concentration.